Hello everybody. I am very thankful that I got this opportunity to share my views regarding a very hot topic, that is HIV AIDS and its awareness. First, let me give a brief introduction of myself. I am Mohit Kumar, representing Government Senior Secondary School, Mahadev, Sundernagar. HIV. HIV is the virus that causes AIDS is one of the major public health issue of the world. We all know that it is a disease that person can get when a virus called HIV enters our body. It is very dangerous for our body and even led to death. In our bodies, we have a system called the immune system that takes care of us by fighting off any infection that comes to us. HIV destroys the cells in our immune system that saves us from becoming unwell. This means that if HIV enters the body, even small illness like a cold can make somebody very sick. A person can get AIDS when they come contact with blood of a person who has HIV. They can also contract it while doing some kind of sexual activity. Another way to get HIV AIDS is by being born with it. But this only happens if your mother who gave birth to you had it. AIDS is not a natural disease, but it comes from somewhere else into the body. It is challenging to live with HIV AIDS because it cannot be cured. However, doctors can help you to control it so that you can live happily. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai NSS.